What's up, everybody? This is Fitness for the Average Joe, aka 1 Minute Workout, aka the Bronx Units channel, aka Alpha Soldier. That's a new one. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna have a little gravity workout. It's gonna be quick and like always. We're gonna do a quick gravity. The reason I'm putting a gravity workout is because what we're gonna use is gravity. Gravity's all around us, so we're gonna use it to our benefit. I'm gonna use it to work out. Also, I want to say that this is my first summer routine that I'm doing this year for 2020. I know 2020's been hard for everybody, but my advice to everybody out there, you just gotta be like the comedian. Adapt to every situation, get it? Keyword, situation. Let's start, guys. All right. So we're gonna work out our shoulders. So we're gonna start here with feet, shoulder width support. We're gonna use our arms like levers, okay? So we're gonna use gravity. And we're gonna use tension for this workout. So we're gonna work out our upper shoulders, rhomboids, upper part of the chest, and it should be a good workout. And then you gotta work out your upper traps. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our fists, ball them up, take our hands, ball them up into two fists, pull down. We gotta do 15. Ready? Begin. 1. This is the stop. Release it, put a fork on it, it's done, it's cooked. Guys, this is a real quick one. You want to try to do this routine maybe 3 times a week. You want to do it 1 time with me, and then you do it 2 more by yourself on your own time. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Take care.